Hello everyone. The topic for today's discussion is anticoagulants and vacutainers. So these are the vacutainers or vials with different colored tops, and it contains different anticoagulants. So importance of these anticoagulants and vacutainer is that we must know which type of anticoagulant and which type of vacutainer is used for the tests, various type of tests. Commonly used anticoagulants are EDTA, sodium citrate, heparin, double oxalate, and sodium fluoride. So first we will discuss EDTA Vacutainer. It has lavender colored top. So EDTA is ethylene diamine tetra-acetic acid. Disodium and tripotassium salts, they are commonly used. Tripotassium EDTA is more stable, so it is preferred for cell counters. The mechanism of action is EDTA, it removes free calcium ions from blood by chelation. So, by chelation, EDTA removes free calcium ions, thus preventing coagulation of blood. It can be used for making peripheral smears till up to 4 hours after collection. And EDTA, it is used in solid form, 2 mg per ml of blood, and it is added to tubes or vacutainer with lavender top. So uses of EDTA Vacutainer. EDTA vial is suitable for full blood count, for HB, TLC, DLC, platelet count, eosinophil count, RBC count. It is also used for PVF, ESR estimation, HbA1c count, and HbF estimation, and HB electrophoresis. So the morphological alterations which EDTA can cause. Alterations start to appear in neutrophils within 30 minutes. The platelets, they are swollen and then they disintegrate into many cells or many platelets, causing artificially elevated count. The red cells, they become spherocytic and macrocytic. So the storage artifacts that is caused by EDTA: abnormal chromatin clumping, abnormal band form or pseudobands, Pelger hue-like neutrophils, loss of cytoplasmic margin definition, neutrophil degranulation, neutrophil hypergranulation, basophil degranulation, reactive lymphocytes. They may cause vacuolation in monocytes. They cause such distortion in cells that they become unclassifiable, or they can cause formation of smudge cells. Now coming to another EDTA Vacutainer with pink top. Previous was lavender top. So it is pink topped EDTA Vacutainer. It is used for blood grouping and cross matching, and also for direct antiglobulin test. Then third type of EDTA Vacutainer is royal blue EDTA Vacutainer. It is used for estimation of trace elements. Now sodium citrate anticoagulant. The sodium citrate anticoagulant, mechanism of action is sodium citrate that binds loosely with free calcium ions to form calcium citrate complex. So its binding with free calcium will lead to formation of calcium citrate complex that will prevent coagulation of blood. Sodium citrate anticoagulant, it is present in light blue topped Vacutainer, also in black-topped Vacutainer. So uses of sodium citrate Vacutainer is first in coagulation studies. So 3.8% trisodium citrate pentahydrate or 3.2% sodium citrate dihydrate solution, it is used. So 1 part of anticoagulant, that is sodium citrate, and 9 part of blood is used. So the ratio is 1:9. 0.5 ml of anticoagulant and 4.5 ml of blood. So for coagulation study, blue-topped sodium citrate Vacutainer is used with a ratio 1:9. Second use is for ESR estimation by Westergreen method. So important is Westergreen method, ESR estimation. In this 3.8% sodium citrate is used in the ratio 1:4. 1 part of anticoagulant and 4 part of blood. So 0.5 ml of sodium citrate and 2 ml of blood. This black-topped sodium citrate Vacutainer is used for ESR estimation by Westergreen method. Now the heparin Vacutainer or green-topped Vacutainer. It acts as an antithrombin. Heparin acts as an antithrombin, thus inhibiting the coagulation of blood. So green top Vacutainers, they are further of two types, light green top and dark green top. The light green top tube or Vacutainer, it contains lithium heparin, while dark green, it contains sodium heparin. So the tube that contains lithium heparin and gel separator, it is used for collection of heparinized plasma for routine chemistry tests. While the dark green top containing sodium heparin, it is used for collection of heparinized blood or whole blood for special tests. So the special tests which are performed are osmotic fragility test, G6PD deficiency test and pyruvate kinase deficiency tests. Along with it is used in karyotyping. When whole blood is used, one heparinized green top 5 to 7 ml is used, and for bone marrow specimen or sample, one heparinized green top 2 to 2.5 ml is used. Heparin Vacutainer, it is also used in blood gas analysis. So the disadvantage of heparin is it causes clumping of platelets and leukocytes. So it should not be used for cell counters. Smears made from heparinized blood, they show pink background, so they should not be good for red cell and white cell morphology. That's why they are not used for CBC and for PBF. Now, sodium fluoride anticoagulant, it is present in grey topped Vacutainer and it is used for blood sugar assay. So we can estimate serum glucose and serum lactate by grey topped Vacutainer containing the sodium fluoride anticoagulant. Its mechanism of action is sodium fluoride inhibits the enolase enzyme that is acting late in glycolytic pathway. So inhibits enolase enzyme. Now the red topped Vacutainer or red or plain Vacutainer or plain vial, as it is without anticoagulant. It do not contain any anticoagulant. It is used for serum determinations in biochemistry tests, in serology and in immunology lab. Another anticoagulant is double oxalate. So double is due to presence of potassium and ammonium oxalates. So a mixture of potassium and ammonium oxalates in the ratio of 2:3 was previously used for various hematological tests and now been replaced by EDTA. The potassium, it caused shrinkage of RBCs and ammonium, it caused swelling of RBCs. So one oxalate is causing shrinkage and another oxalate is causing swelling of the RBCs. Therefore, double oxalate salts are preferred over single oxalate. Another is yellow top vial. It contains citrate additive and it is used for blood culture. That is all about the anticoagulants and vacutainers. Thank you very much.